In our installation guide for Coinsnap for WPForms, you will learn how to install the Coinsnap for WPForms plugin in just 3 simple steps. Follow these instructions and accept Bitcoin payments from your customers today, simply and quickly from any WPForms form on your website. Before you start, make sure you have the WPForms Pro version installed. First, you need to install the Coinsnap WPForms plugin. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Now enter Coinsnap for WPForms in the search bar and click on Install Now. Then activate the plugin by clicking on the button Activate. Now Bitcoin Lightning is available as an additional payment method in any WPForms form. After you have installed and activated the Coinsnap for WPForms plugin, you need to configure the Coinsnap settings. Go to WPForms, All Forms in the black sidebar on the left. Then choose a form in which you want to implement Bitcoin Lightning payment and click on Edit. In the editing space of the chosen form, open the tab Payments on the bottom left, then click Coinsnap in the blue field. Now you can configure the plugin and connect it with your Coinsnap account. First, enable Bitcoin Lightning payment. Second, enter your Coinsnap store ID. Third, enter your Coinsnap API key. And don't forget to click the orange Save button on the top right above the settings. Next, we show you where to find your Coinsnap store ID and your Coinsnap API key. In your Coinsnap account, go to the Settings menu item, then click on Store in the blue field. There you will find the Coinsnap store ID and the Coinsnap API key. Copy these one after the other into the corresponding fields in the Coinsnap settings as we showed you in the last scene. Then click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to apply and save the settings. Now you are set to receive Bitcoin transactions from your customer's wallet to your wallet. After entering the store ID and the API key, you are now set to deploy your form and enable your customers to conduct a Bitcoin Lightning transaction. Your website visitors will see a form like this. After they filled out the form and clicked on the blue button on the bottom left, Coinsnap for WPForms generates the QR payment code. Your customer needs to scan the QR code with their Bitcoin Lightning wallet and authorize the payment. And just like that, the payment has been transferred to the merchant's Bitcoin Lightning wallet. If you already have WPForms Pro and your Coinsnap account, just by following these instructions, you can offer Bitcoin Lightning payment within minutes with WPForms. It couldn't be easier or faster. Register your Coinsnap account under coinsnap.io/register now and start using Coinsnap for WPForms. Snap your Bitcoin.